Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Unlock English Success. So if you are my previous follower and subscriber, you know that we are working on the first year English new book, and we have already covered the translation of first chapter, that is Khatam Nabiyeen. So now in the second video we are going to do the question answers of this unit. Okay, so let's start. But before that, I would like to request all of you, please like my video and subscribe my channel and share it with all your friends. So without any further ado, we will start the question answers. So here again, this new book of first year is very much similar to the book of grade 9, because in both the books the quite translation and question answers are of same pattern, that few question answers are given within the text and few are given in the exercise. Okay, and when in your exam paper, they both are of equal importance. So let's start. So first three questions are from the text of the unit. Okay, so very first question is, what qualities of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam are described and how did the people respond to them? So answer is, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for truthfulness, humility, generosity and fairness. People respected him deeply and gave him titles like As-Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. Next we have second question, that how did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam demonstrate his concern for justice in his early adulthood? Provide an example. So the answer is, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam joined Hilful Fudul, a pact to protect the oppressed. He also resolved a dispute among the Quraysh over placing the black stone with fairness and wisdom. Next is question number 3. What was the significance of the first revelation to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Answer is, it marked the beginning of his prophethood and the divine mission of Islam. The revelation brought spiritual awakening and began a transformation in society through the message of the Quran. Okay. Next are the question answers taken from the exercise. Reflect on the lasting legacy of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as mentioned in the text, and how does his life and mission continue to inspire people across different culture and societies today? So the answer is, Rasulullah's legacy inspires globally due to his message of peace, justice and compassion, which applies to all people, cultures and time. Question number 2. What was the importance of Rasulullah's involvement in the Hilful Fuzul? How does this event show his commitment to justice? And the answer is, his involvement in Hilful Fuzul showed his early support for justice and protection of the oppressed, providing his lifelong dedication to fairness. Next we have question number 3 from the exercise. How did Hazrat Khadija support Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam both emotionally and financially, and why was her support crucial during the early years of his mission? Hazrat Khadija supported him emotionally with love and financially with her wealth, which was vital for the success of his mission early phase. Question number 4. What was the character of Medina, and what was the charter of Medina, and how did it create a new system of governance that promoted fairness and equality? Answer is, the charter of Medina created a just society with equality, religious freedom and protection for all citizens regardless of their faith. Next we have question number 5. Why was the Hijrah, migration from Makkah to Medina, so important for the growth of Islam, and how did it change the course of history? Answer is, the Hijrah led to the formation of the first Islamic state, providing safety and freedom which allowed Islam to grow and spread rapidly. Question number 6. Why do you think the writer focuses on values like mercy, justice and equality in Rasulullah's life? What might be the writer's intention or point of view behind selecting these aspects? And the answer is, the writer highlights these values to show the Prophet's moral greatness and to present him as a timeless role model for humanity. Next we have Question number 7. In his final sermon, Rasulullah spoke about the core tenets of Islam. How can his message be understood as a universal call for justice, equality, and moral integrity? And the answer is, his sermon emphasized human equality and righteousness, serving as a universal guide for justice, unity, and moral values. Last question is question number 8. Describe the significance of the conquest of Makkah. How did the Rasulullah's decision to declare general amnesty demonstrate his magnanimity and vision for a unified society? Answer is, by forgiving even his enemies, Rasulullah displayed mercy and leadership, uniting people and establishing peace in a divided society. Okay, so these were the question answers of unit number 1, Khatam Nabiyeen Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I have tried to keep the answers very concise and very short so that every student can learn them well and understand them. Okay, so obviously there are so many students who are very bright and there are some students who are of average capabilities. So these answers are of you can say very easy and all the students can learn them well. So inshallah tomorrow I will upload its exercise, complete exercise of unit number 1 of new first year English book. So please, at the end of my video, I want to request everyone to please like it, subscribe my channel and share with your friends and colleagues too. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.